How to set up new iPhone from old iPhone. 1. Connect your old iPhone to Wi-Fi. 2. Open the Settings app. 3. Tap your name greater than iCloud. 4. Select iCloud Backup. 5. Tap Backup now. 6. Wait until the backup process completes. Once you have a backup, it's time to pick out your new iPhone and start setting it up. 1. Turn on your new iPhone. 2. Select your country and language. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi, set up Touch or Face ID, and create a passcode. 4. Once you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. 5. Sign in with your Apple ID. 6. When asked, select the backup you've just made on your old iPhone. 7. Wait for your data to transfer from your old to new iPhone. 8. Complete the rest of the on-screen setup steps.